Naija Senate don pass one new bill wey go make all citizens register their name by force. Dis one na to change how Naija go dey manage country pipo identity. Dem cancel the old National Identity Management Commission law and bring new one. Dis bill pass after the senator wey dey represent Anambra Central, Senator Victor Ume, wey also be the chairman of the Committee for National Identity Card and Population, submit report and the Senate debate am. Senator Ume tok say the new law go help Naija get better identity system wey no go cost too much money, wey go follow wetin other countries dey do. E go make sure say data correct and go close all the holes wey dey the Naija identity database.
Objectives of the bill are as follows: to provide for the establishment of national identity database for the nation, establish the National Identity Management Commission charged with responsibility for maintenance of the national identity database, registration of registrable persons, issuance of identity credentials, and superintend over identities management issues, to strengthen the legal framework of national and digital identity, thereby creating an optimal foundational identification ecosystem that fosters inclusion, universal coverage, and accessibility. Establish a harmonious foundational identity system that is governed by a less restrictive, less cumbersome, non-discriminatory, non-punitive data protection, cost-effective, and compliance with global best practices.
To ensure that what we have passed here is in conformity with what has been passed by the House of Representatives, and in the effect that there is any differential, we go into the usual conference committee to resolve the differences. So I thank all of you, and I pray that this bill will ensure that we have proper record and proper data to plan not just for the current generation, but for future generations of Nigerians. Thank you.
Once dem don sign dis bill, e go create one big database and one commission wey go handle Naija citizen registration and give identity cards. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosinwa, TMC News.